Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Trash plugin. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the admin's end. So basically, this plugin is useful if you made a mistake of deleting your products, customers, categories, or manufacturers from the admin backend panel. So what this plugin does is that it would allow you to be able to easily restore back your products, customers, categories and manufacturers as required. Apart from that, you can also permanently delete the data as required under the trash plugin itself. So today I'll just show you the workflow at the backend. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel now. But before we proceed further with the workflow of this particular plugin, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the admin backend panel, and we'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password. Now, after the successful installation of the OpenCart Trash plugin, you'll find the OpenCart Trash option here on the side panel, as you can see. And under that, you have the deleted products, deleted customers, deleted categories, and the deleted manufacturers being listed. So if I go to any of the deleted, for example, let's go to the trash section, and under that we'll go to the deleted products. So here you'll find the complete list of products that you have deleted already. If you want to restore the products, you can restore the products by tapping here on the restore button and then tapping on the OK on the prompt, and the particular product would be restored after you have tapped OK on the prompt once again. So that's how easily you can restore back the products that you've mistakenly what we say as not in like you have just deleted them unknowingly there. Then you can restore them from these particular sections here for the products, customers, categories, and the manufacturers there. So this is the section for the products. Now after you've restored a particular product, it would be restored back to its original section there. And if you want, you can delete or permanently delete a particular product by selecting it up and tapping here on the delete button, and this would permanently delete the products from your OpenCart store itself. Now the same goes for the deleted customers. Here you'll find the complete list of deleted customers. You can restore a particular customer by tapping on the restore button, then tapping on the OK button, for example for Wildo, and the customer would be restored back there. You can see that the customer has been restored. Now if you want to delete any of the customers, you can select the customers that you want to permanently delete. You can delete it from this particular section by tapping on the delete permanently button there. So let's delete the customers permanently. Then we have the delete category. Here we have the complete list of categories that you have deleted, and you can restore the categories by tapping on the restore button, then tapping on the OK button, and that particular category would be restored as you've seen here. And to delete permanently any of these categories there, you can choose any of the categories and select the delete button to delete them completely. The same goes for the deleted manufacturers as well. You can restore them by tapping here on the restore link under the actions column to restore them back. If you want to permanently delete them, you can select them up, and you can delete them up by tapping on the delete permanently button. Now let's go to the product section, for example. So let me give you an example for that. So I'll just take you to the catalog and products. Now here on the products we have the leather wallet. I'll just delete that up. So for example, I've mistakenly deleted it. It has been deleted. Now what? Now if I go back to the trash, deleted products, I'll find the leather wallet. Now I can restore it back by tapping on the restore button and tapping OK on the prompt there, and then tapping again OK. Now if I go back to my products there, catalog, products, I'll again find the leather wallet back there, and that was deleted there. Now the same goes for the categories as well. So if I go to the categories, for example, I have armors. If I go ahead and delete the armors, you can see that the armors has been deleted. Now if I go to the trash, I go to the deleted category. Here we have the armors. I can restore it back by tapping OK. You can see that the category has been restored after I've tapped on the OK button there. So that was about the category delete. Now about the customers. If I go to the sales and go to customers and customers, I have Smith Johnson, okay, and I want to delete it. I'll delete this Smith Johnson from here. You can see that he has been removed from the customer list here. Now if I go to the trash and go to the deleted customer, you can find Smith Johnson here. If you want, you can permanently delete it by tapping on the delete permanently. Otherwise, if you want to restore it, you can tap here, tap on the OK button, tap OK on the confirm there to restore the deleted customer. Now the same goes for the manufacturer as well. So if I go to catalog and go to manufacturers and select a particular manufacturer that I want to delete, I delete it out. I've deleted Hewlett Packard, and now if I go to the trash and go to deleted manufacturer, I'll find Hewlett Packard here. If I want, I can delete it permanently by tapping here on the delete permanently. Otherwise, if I want, I can restore it by tapping on the restore button, tapping on the OK, tapping OK on the prompt there. Now if I go back to catalog and manufacturers, I'll find the Hewlett Packard again being listed back there itself. So that's how this plugin is useful if you made a mistake of deleting your products, customers, categories, or manufacturers. So all in all, you'll be able to easily restore back your products, customers, categories, and manufacturers without any issues. Also, if you have deleted any of your products, customers, categories, or manufacturers, then you'll have the option of permanently deleting them in a second stage within the trash section itself, wherein you have the complete list of deleted products, customers, categories, and manufacturers there. So that was much about the OpenCart trash plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day.